Handling an account review on Binance can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. This guide will help you navigate through the review process effectively. Step 1. Understand the review process. Familiarize yourself with why Binance conducts account reviews. These can be triggered by unusual activity, compliance checks, or regulatory requirements. Knowing the reasons can help you prepare. Step 2. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary documents that Binance may request during the review. This typically includes identification documents, proof of address, and any other relevant information that verifies your identity and account activity. Step 3. Log into your Binance account. Access your Binance account using your credentials. Navigate to the notification section to check for any messages or alerts regarding your account review. This will provide you with specific instructions from Binance. Step 4. Submit requested information. Follow the instructions provided by Binance to submit the required documents. Make sure to upload clear and legible copies to avoid any delays in the review process. Double check that all information is accurate before submission. Step 5. Monitor your account status. After submitting the necessary documents, keep an eye on your account status. Binance will typically notify you via email or through the platform once the review is complete. Be patient as this process may take some time. In conclusion, handling an account review on Binance requires understanding the process, gathering the right documents, and staying informed throughout. By following these steps, you can ensure a smoother review experience.